Hello everyone, Sarthak this side from Planet Study. I welcome you all to the video Satyabama University. This video will be completely in English because the particular university is situated in Chennai, right? So we want each and every student to completely understand this video. First of all, we'll discuss about the content bucket, what we need to discuss in next 10 to 15 minutes, brief about the college, types of courses, cutoffs, eligibility criteria, fee structure, placement and campus facilities. If you want to download complete PDF, then you need to visit planetstudy.in. You need to create your account and you can download this PDF among other PDFs from that particular website, right? So first of all, you can check out the look and feel of this particular university by checking out the photo. The Satyamba Institute of Science and Technology was established in 1987. It is a premier institute and was granted deemed status in the year 16 July 2001, right? According to NIRF, means National Institute Ranking Framework, it has a ranking of 61 in terms of overall. In terms of university, it has 39th rank, and in terms of engineering, it has 51 rank, right? It has been awarded as category 8 by MHRD, accredited by NAC with grade A, certified with DNV. University offer 27 program at UG level and 41 program at PG level. It has written a special page in the history on 22nd June 2016 by launching Satyamba set in the association with ISRO. Different programs at undergraduate level, that too in engineering format, are BE, BTech, BArch and B Design, right? These are the different disciplines in which you can continue your BE here, and these are the different disciplines you can continue your BE here. In total, 4 disciplines there are: BTech, Information Technology, Chemical Engineering, Biotechnology and Biomedical Engineering. Bachelors of Architecture, Bachelors of Design. Only Bachelors of Architecture is a 5-year course and rest of the other courses are of 4 years. Now let us discuss about the eligibility criteria for all BE, BTech program. In class 9th, you need to have 60% marks, 10 plus 2 with 45% marks, that too in PCM stream. And if you are appearing for the entrance exam, that is SAEEE, then you need to appear in the PCM stream exam only, right? For Bachelors in Design, again in 12th class you need to have 45% marks, and if you are from reserved category, then there's a 5% relaxation available. You need to score only 40%. Bachelors in Architecture program, again 10 plus 2 with 45%, that too in PCM category, and a valid NATA score is also required. What is NATA? NATA is National Aptitude Test in Architecture. That is an entrance exam, that too for undergraduate level for admission in Bachelors in Architecture, right? Candidates opting for this program should appear in PCM category. No issues. Important notes: candidates who have passed through compartment, they are not eligible to for admission in this particular university, and NRIs, diploma holders and candidates of foreign origin, they need not to appear in the entrance examination. Satyamba entrance exam, that is SAEEE. Full exam name is Satyamba All India Engineering Entrance Examination, conducted once a year, university level exam. Mode of the exam is English. Application can be submitted online and offline, both format. Application fees is ₹650. Mode of exam is online. Mode of counseling is offline. Exam duration is 2 years and number of questions are 100, that too mathematics 50, physics 25 and chemistry 25. Entrance exam will be conducted in 3 sessions: 9 am to 11:30 am, 12:30 pm to 3 pm, 4 pm to 6:30 pm. Fee details: if you are joining through SAEEE, means through entrance examination, if you have got a rank from 1 to 25, then you are eligible for 100% scholarship. If you have got a rank from 26 to 2500, then you need to pay 1,70,000 as a tuition fees, 1,80,000, 1,90,000, and if you have got a rank of above 10,000, then you need to pay fees of 2 lakh rupees only, right? Other fees include admission fees, amenities fees, examination fees and caution deposit of rupees 5,000. Hostel fees: non-AC rooms are rupees 80,000 per year, and AC hostel fees rupees 1,75,000 rupees per year. Fee detail for BE, Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics and Instrumentation, Civil and Chemical, all 4 are same, that is 1,70,000 per year, right? Bachelors in Architecture, first year fees is 2,65,000, middle 3-year fees is 2,05,000, and last year fees is 2,10,000. Bachelors in Design, again first year fees is 2,65,000, middle year fees is 2,05,000, and last year fees is 2,10,000. Engineering program, that too part-time, 6 months will be less, 3.5 year will be the total duration of part-time programs. BE in these different fields, BTech in these different fields, and all the eligibility criteria is same: minimum 2 years of working experience, minimum 2 years, minimum 2 years, and again computer science and engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering, means you need to have relevant diploma according to your bachelor's in engineering degree. All program fees will be first semester 40,000 till 7th semester 40,000, means 7 4 28, 2,80,000 rupees with the complete fees for the part-time BTech and BE program. Next category of exam is pharmacy courses. Bachelor's in Pharma 4 years, Diploma in Pharma 2 years. Diploma in Pharma pass in 10 plus 2 with 45% marks and 40% in case of reserved category. Tuition fees will be total around 1.5 lakh rupees. Bachelor's of Pharma 50% in class 12, mandatory subjects PCMB in class 12. Fees will be around 5.5 to 6 lakh rupees and total number of seats will be 60, and you need not to appear in any type of entrance examination. Nursing programs, BSc Nursing, again 50% in class 12 and your total fees will be around 4,40,000 rupees. Dental program, BDS 5 years with integrated internship. You need to pass the NEET exam, you need to have 50% in your class 12th exam, and you need to have PCMB stream or PCB stream, right? Law programs, BLLB, BBLLB, BCom LLB and LLB. LLB is only of 3 years and the remaining programs are of 5 years. All the 3 programs that are of 5 years, their eligibility criteria is 40% in class, 45% in class 12, and if you are from reserved category, then 5% relaxation is available. First year fees will be 1,66,000. Second to fifth year fees will be 1,56,000 for each and every year, right? LLB course, 45% marks in class 12 and your total fees will be around, again, first year 1,66,000, second and third year around 1,56,000 each. Arts and science program, BBA, BCom, BSc and BA, all different programs can be checked out on the screen, and the duration of all the program is 3 years. BBA, your total fees will be around 2,70,000. Class 12 you need to clear. BCom general, again 3 lakh rupees will be the fees and 10 plus 2 at the eligibility criteria level. All the arts and science program, there is an only single eligibility criteria, that is 10 plus 2 from a recognized board. No percentage criteria as such mentioned on the website, right? So we will discuss in the remaining programs only fees. BCom financial accounting, 3,30,000 rupees fees. BSc visual communication fees will be around 2.5 lakh rupees. BSc physics fees will be around again 2 lakh rupees. BSc chemistry fees will be around again 2 lakh rupees. BSc computer science, 2,70,000. BSc mathematics, BSc biochemistry, fashion design, technology, microbiology, psychology, bioinformatics and English. All these programs have a combined fees of 2 lakh rupees for the entire 3-year duration of the course. All programs have same hostel criteria, that is 80,000 rupees per year for non-AC hostel and 1,75,000 rupees per year for the AC hostel. Postgraduate programs, a long list of 25 to 30 programs available on the website. If we will include these type of program in this particular video, then this video will become a tutorial, right? So what we can do is, if you want, then we can create a separate video for postgraduate programs, right? Next is different type of scholarship which is available for BE, BTech, BArch student. That is top 3 rank holders will only get the scholarship. Minimum score is 75%. Ranks will be going based on the total score and next rank will not be given. Those availing scholarship should have cleared the subjects in one attempt. Now let us discuss about different types of schools available in this particular university, that is School of Computing, Electrical and Electronics, Mechanical, Bio and Chemical, Building and Environment Management Studies, Science and Humanities and Law. These different schools provide bachelor's and master's level of program across various disciplines. So complete list can be checked out on the screen. You can pause this video and check each and every program in detail, right? Course material include lecture notes, illustrations of concepts, questions for practice, questions and answer for continuous assessment test, assignments for students, related web links and books for reference. Means these are the different learning formats which will be available to you in this particular university. Center for Research, PhD program, both full-time and part-time are awarded by this particular university. Research is offering in various branches like engineering, technology, science and humanities. It is offering admission twice a year. Around 1,000 research scholars are pursuing PhD program on this date currently, and till date 705 individuals have been awarded their PhDs. Placement, BE, BTech 7th semester and ME, MTech 3rd semester students are eligible for campus placement. Their training attendance need to be 90%. Placement registration is compulsory. They will be informed related to campus drives. Students need to confirm their participation and they need to submit their offer letter to the placement department. Year 1920, total number of students registered were 2218. Students eligible were 1891. Because their training attendance was complete, they have submitted their project. So out of 2218, only 1981 were eligible, and out of 1981, 1822 students got placement. Means 1822 divided by 1981 into 100, 91.17 is the placement percentage of 2019 and 20. These different companies give placement to various types of students in across various streams, and average salary was 4,20,000 rupees per annum. In the year 2018-19, placement percentage was 90.36% and average salary was 3.8 lakh rupees. So there is an increase of 40,000 rupees in particularly average salary. Right? Industry collaboration. Satyamba has signed several MOUs with different industry giants like Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro. Sartha, only these type of companies. No, these are the all companies list, and again one more list. This is the complete list which you can check out on the screen. The university has tied up with these type of different conglomerates, and they will provide you learning in different practical formats. Now let us discuss about the campus life. Speed will be little bit fast so that you can understand each and every point within less minutes. Campus has 5 boys hostel, 5 girls hostel with mess, laundry and fitness center. 24/7 for services related to medical, ATM and emergency vehicles will be available here. Other facilities like computer lab, telephone, stores, fitness studio, indoor mess, beauty spa, courier service, xerox and binding section will also be available. Playground facilities related to 400-meter track, basketball, volleyball, tennis, badminton, handball, football, ball badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, throwball, gym, chess and carom will be available here. Cultural Fest 2020 was held on 14th and 15th February 2020 before the corona outbreak. On the first day, Mr. Vel Murugan performed as a famous folk singer from South. Mr. Dhruv Vikram and Aditi Rao Hedri was chief guest. On second day, musical club dancing performance, Mr. Yash and Tamanna Bhatia graced the occasion. You can check out these images for the reference part. Student Zone NSS, again, National Service Scheme is a permanent youth program under the Ministry of Youth Affairs. You can check out these type of program in well-established universities also. Different events like Yoga Day, mass tree plantation and traffic awareness are regularly conducted under NSS. NCC, these are total 3 wings, Naval Wing, Air Wing and Army Wing available in this university. Youth Red Cross, again, young volunteer participate in this particular Youth Red Cross program for contribution to the most vulnerable people with their local communities. Satyamba Band is open to all the students with musical knowledge. Student Development Cell has 23 clubs in total, and different clubs you can check out on the screen like Aero, Mathematics, Computer Science, Musical, Design, Science, English Literacy and other clubs mentioned on the screen. Students Grievance Redressal Cell is also available here. If you have any type of grievance, then you can mail on this particular email ID. Students will get access to Anti-Ragging Cell, Anti-Discrimination Cell and SC/ST Cell also. IEEE branch, what is IEEE? IEEE is the world's largest technical professional organization dedicated to advancing technology for the benefit of humanity. The inception of IEEE branch was in September 1991. It was started with 21 members and in 1999 it was having 375 members. It was among the 5th largest branch in the world and 2nd largest in the Asia Pacific in the year 1999, and from then on it is among the 30 largest branches in the world. Right? Industry Institute Interaction Cell, it is responsible for organizing industrial visits, assess the training and placement division, give industrial exposure to faculty members and students, and also assist the department in organizing workshops, conferences and symposia. Student Counseling and Psychological Support Center, services offered: personal counseling session for student, parent, teaching and non-teaching staff, classroom level orientation, guest lectures and group discussions on mental health management, which is the requirement of this particular century, and training programs of effective teaching learning process for teaching faculty. Skill Development Center conducts various skill-oriented programs like PCB design, Internet of Things, embedded programming means the skills of 21st century, in partnership with National Skill Training Institute and MSDE. The central trains rural youth in occupations like welding, electrician, plumbing, lab technician like ITI courses and all. Skill development courses like beautician, baking and tailoring are also conducted for underprivileged and rural women. Industrial visits are regularly organized here as a part of institution industry interface with different companies like BEL Bangalore, BEML Bangalore, Integral Coach Factory and various other companies mentioned on the screen. In plant training, again it is a 4 to 6 weeks training. Students need to submit their report to their respective department and it will be organized in the semester vacations. Reputed companies are providing in-plant training to students like Asian Paints, Alstom, Blue Star Air Condition and various other companies again mentioned on the screen. Advisory Bureau for Higher Studies provide 19,000 books with different titles, with divergent titles, CDs on vocabulary, listening, writing and oratory skills, magazines related to personality development, foreign language classes such as German, Japanese and French. It holds training in preparation for campus interviews and various entrance examinations like IELTS, GRE, TOEFL and IELTS. It also conducts seminars from eminent speakers. If you want to prepare for a career in abroad, then what are the circumstances, what are you need to prepare for visa and other facilities, then resource persons will be organized from different top-notch companies like Baiju and they will come to their respective university or college or school and they will provide you each and every guidance. Right? Different certification courses like Vedic Mathematics and Engineering application also provide provided by the Bureau, and university is a referral partner of IDP, IELTS Australia Test Center, and student can register for IELTS examination in the campus itself. Different committees like Board of Management, Academic Council, Finance Committee, Planning and Monitoring Committee, Internal Complaints Committee are available here. Entrepreneurship Development Cell, again just to increase the entrepreneurship talent among the student, it provides different type of programs to different types of students, like one-day seminar for in and out of share market, 5-day MSME certification course program and awareness program. Foreign language classes related to Japanese and German are available in this particular university. FemFest, inspiring Indian woman icon honored at Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology are as follows: Dr. Kiran Bedi, Padma Shri Dr. Indra Hinduja, Padma Shri Sri Devi, and various other women icons mentioned on the screen. Women grievance cell is also available here. Its main objective is to take necessary action on the grievance received, being proactive on women's safety, and taking feedback from the girls and women in the campus. Facilities, hostel facilities, spacious rooms with attached bath is available. STD or ISD telephone facilities, exclusive uninterrupted study room, uninterrupted power supply, banking facility, and medical facilities are also available. Medical lab facility, mineral water facility, open air theatre, well equipped gym, sweets and juice center, yoga and dance classes, indoor and outdoor games facility, laundry and ironing, hair cutting, free computer lab, student train reservation, and bakery service. These are all the facilities which you can enjoy in this particular university. So it's not a university, it's a complete city. Right. Health and Fitness Center, again full-time medical officers are available, Dr. Abdul for gents and Dr. Manjula for ladies. All gyms and fitness centers are open both in morning and evening hours, and there are separate gyms available for girls and boys completely in this particular university. 4 open-air theatre of 6,500 square feet each and 3 conference halls of 4,000 square feet are available here. All AC halls are equipped with the latest teaching aids like LCD projector, slide projector, and overhead projector. Conference halls are for conducting guest lectures, symposiums, seminar, placement training and program. Educational cassettes are also projected here, and movies are also screened in the theatre for hostel students on the holidays. Mess facility, it has a capacity of 2,000 members. A large modern kitchen and steam cooking is available here. A modern bakery and ice cream making unit are attached to the mess. There is a separate floor, for one for vegetarian and other for non-vegetarian. Right. Lunch, tea and snacks. All students, hostel students as well as day scholars and staff members are provided lunch, tea and snacks every day. Students and staff members are given ice cream and sweets daily. Ice cream and sweets daily. Right. Transportation, Satyamba has more than 100 buses which are made available to the students and the faculty members for commuting from various points. Internet, again 500 Mbps speed, free to access internet. Students and faculty have the options to access the internet on free of cost. Wi-Fi facilities are also provided in hostels and central library. Bank and ATM, again Indian Bank extension counter and ATM facilities are available here. Mineral water facility, interesting. Reverse osmosis plant installed in the campus caters to the drinking water needs of all the students, teachers, supporting staff and visitors. This water is pure, tasty and hygienic, and total 66 coolers are connected to this plant, providing drinking water in every floor of classroom blocks, administrative blocks, library and laboratories. Childcare, again Mother Teresa Daycare Center. The daycare center has wide room for playing and 3 special rooms for sleeping of the kids. It is also a special kitchen. A trained Montessori teacher is appointed to enable education in different formats, and currently 20 children have been enrolled in this particular program. Library, number of library books 2,97,305, number of title this, number of periodicals 179, online journal 3267, and computing facilities in total number of PC system 3175, number of PCs in library 150, and various other credentials you can check out on the screen. Research collaborators and placement partners are different, like Bajaj, Thermex, Yamaha, Mahindra and various other companies you can check out on the screen. Next slide is your road to the world after graduation. University provide guidance for your higher studies at top-notch academically and culturally affluent universities. To prepare the students for higher studies like GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS, GATE and CLAT, classes are available by the renowned training institutions, and a separate library is available for all those students. Semester abroad program, if you want to study a particular semester in the different partnering institutes like Europe, UK, USA, Canada, Australia, South America and Asia, then you need to have a brilliant academic performance, a level of ambition should be there, good communication skills and a recommendation from your respective department. Student can choose a subject or course offered by the foreign university. Students are allowed to complete a semester in the abroad after 2 years of study at undergraduation level and 1 year of study at the post-graduation level. Student exchange program, again it is of 3 to 5 months and selected students can study in the foreign university. Internship abroad students are also given opportunity to undergo internship for a period of 2 to 6 weeks. And faculty exchange programs offers opportunity for staff members to work in partnering universities in foreign countries. And with this, the video comes to an end. If you have any doubt related to personality, interest, aptitude, learning habits, self-analysis, coaching guidance, stream selection, career selection, and college finalization, then you need to visit planetstudy.in. You need to invest 2,500 rupees plus taxes, and we will give you a customized report of 42 pages which will detail each and everything about your career. You will be scheduled with a counselor, and 2 counseling sessions of 30 minutes each will be scheduled, and your each and every doubt will be solved. Sarthak, I don't have 2,900 rupees, means 2,999 rupees. Then you need to visit our YouTube channel in which different careers, latest CBSE update, what after 10th, career talks, college and university, book summaries, government exam, and billionaire series. These all videos are available for you. The links are attached in the description box, and if you have any doubt, then let us know in the comment section, because career counseling means Planet Study, and we are here to help you out in each and every phase of life. Bye bye.